Hey, welcome back to another video. So this video is not really trying to show you how to shiplap. It's really just about my experience shiplapping for the first time ever using these MDF boards from Lowe's. This project came about because my friend had a bunch of leftover shiplap pieces that she didn't need anymore. She was looking to get rid of them, so I took them thinking it would be perfect for this odd shaped wall that I have. I also decided to shiplap this stair wall because I also had the intention of painting my stair railings and my wall caps to an actual black color instead of this grayish brown. And the reason why I have to paint the stair rails is because this little shit here drew off a part of the stairs. I know, the drama, geez Louise. So I was like, let's kill 3 birds with 1 stone and let's make a project out of this. These are the boards that I used for this project. They are MDF boards that are about 1/2 inch thick, 5 1/4 in height, and 8 feet long from Lowe's, and they are basically $6 a piece. I first had to disassemble the stair wires, then I realized I can't completely remove them without taking everything apart, so I only took off both ends and left them hanging from the middle. I have never watched a video on shiplap or done shiplapping before, but my common sense told me that it's basically just stacking one plank on top of another vertically. Start from the bottom and work my way up top, then just nail gun the planks onto the wall, and so basically that's what I did. What made this project difficult was the pieces that I used were short leftover pieces, and also because of the weird shaped wall where I had to measure and cut the pieces to fit on the left side of the wall by the edges of the stairs. But if you have a straight wall, shiplapping should be very easy. Anyways, at the time of this project, I didn't have a miter saw, so I jury-rigged one. I don't recommend this to children, but the only electric saw that I had in the house was a circular saw, and my cheap ass didn't want to spend money on a miter saw, so I did what I had to do. Plus, I had danger for breakfast that morning, so I'm like, fuck it, as long as it works, I'm doing it. And you know what? My jury-rigged saw did work. So what I decided to do around the edges of the stairs was to put corner trim pieces that will give the shiplap a finished look, plus it will hide the imperfections in my cutting. And to fix the part that my dog chewed off, I applied wood putty and sanded it back to its original shape. Once all the pieces are in place, I patch up all the gaps and edges using spackle. Then I sanded the wall to make sure everything is smooth before painting. I decided to paint the stair rails first before the wall. After all of that is done, I caulked around the edges of the stairs to give it a finished look. Then I started on my wall cap and my handrail. I decided to remove all the trim pieces to paint instead of taping around. It was just easier that way. I sanded everything lightly before paint, clean off the dust, then roll on paint using a super smooth roller. And this is the result of the finished project. Because my accent colors are black, tan, and grays, the stairs, railings, and wall caps now ties in better with everything else in the house. The carpet on the stairs is really killing me, but I haven't figured out a solution yet. We kept the carpet because the dogs literally zoomed down the stairs, and our last dog slipped on the wood stairs that we had at our old place, and she would not go down the stairs, so we had to carry her up and down every time. In conclusion, what I have learned is I will probably not use this shiplap material again. The shiplap that my friend gave me only covered half of the wall, so I had to buy more planks. In my opinion, these shiplap planks are expensive. I found another way to do shiplap for so much cheaper with better materials. Doing the calculation, if I had to buy these planks alone for this project, it would have cost me the same amount of money to buy a miter saw plus the new shiplap material that I found. By the way, I did go out and buy a real miter saw. I'm working on another video where I shiplapped my loft using a different material, so don't forget to tune in for that one. Thanks again for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next video.